To understand the difference and why there is more torque created with a differential sprocket in ADV 390, let's get to some basics. The standard torque ratio is 15 teeth in the front and 45 teeth at the rear, which makes it 3:1. For every 3 rotations of the front sprocket, the rear would rotate once. With 14 teeth front and 45 teeth rear, the ratio would be 3.21:1, which means the front would need to rotate 0.21 times more to have the rear rotate once. With 15 teeth front and 47 teeth rear, the ratio would be 3.13:1, which means that the front would need to rotate 0.13 times more to have the rear rotate once. It now gets more complex, hence please focus. Relax, let me try to put it simple. The engine would need to rotate more to achieve a certain speed. Hence, the motorcycle would always be at a higher RPM. In fact, it would need to rotate 0.8 times more with the 14 teeth front sprocket than with the 47 teeth. Hold on. Let me have a real life scenario to explain this to you. Do remember to post your questions in the comment section if you're still not clear after watching till the end. Let's continue. The below table indicate the RPM at which 100 kmph can be reached, considering the motorcycle achieves 100 kmph at 4500 RPM. In this table, you will notice that to achieve 100 kmph with a 14 teeth sprocket, the motorcycle would need to do 4821 RPM, and with a 47 teeth sprocket, it would need to do 4700 RPM. Now that you have got the understanding of the impact of the change in the front sprocket and rear sprocket, let's get into the video further to see this in real action. Do subscribe and share the video.
The road is absolutely beautiful. I mean, you are able to cruise at around 120 kilometers an hour at ease. What a road. I mean, mind-boggling. It took us around 1.5 hours to just let you glide through. You don't even feel the speed actually. That's the beauty of it. This just raises out. And you will find that at 6000 RPM I hit 100 kilometers.
With the 14T, however, the gear shifts are not smooth. It's clunky, and between the second and the third, there's always a struggle. With the 47T, however, the gear shifts are smooth and vibrations are at acceptable.